Hello and welcome. My name is Robin and this is my channel. So I'm so excited I got my favorite lifestyle box. It's Pinkboxdelivery. And if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you like my video and its content. Hit the notification button so that you get notified of all my future videos, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, you know how much I appreciate your loyalty and your love and support for my channel. Pinkboxdelivery is a monthly subscription box. It's a lifestyle box, but you never know what they're going to throw in there. And they have themes. So at Christmas time, they have a Christmas theme. Halloween time, they have a Halloween theme. And you get the box at the end of the month. So this is the end of, I got this the end of February. So, but it's for the next month. So I'm thinking this has, what is that? The green holiday coming up. So I think it might have that the Shamrock holiday. I can't think. So why can't I think? I think I still have Valentine's Day on my mind. And they usually have about 8 items in the box. And it comes to, I pay like $46 with the shipping because they do charge for the shipping. And it's cheaper if you pay quarterly. I do pay monthly, but you can pay annually. So now I'm just gonna have to, I'm not gonna focus because I'm gonna have to think of the green holiday. And I'm from Chicago, and they always dye the Chicago River green. So we used to go downtown and they'd have the big parade and we'd see the Green River. Of course now it's just naturally green, but they used to dye it green. St. Patrick's Day. Yeah, so they might have a St. Patrick's Day theme in here. Okay, crazy, crazy, crazy. And they do notify you kind of what they're gonna put in the box, like what kind of items. But this is like my most favorite box. And so they send you a note, and I don't think they put the retail prices in here, but they do style it after something. So I'm just so excited to get into it. And it came in, if you saw my thumbnail, it comes in that nice pink outer, and then they put it in this box with their cute little pink truck. And I have to say, this makes a great gift. So if you know somebody whose birthday's coming up or a special day, this makes an awesome gift. So enough of my jibber jabbering. So there's the pink paper. And I think, does it say what thing is here? I believe in manicures. I believe in overdressing. I believe in primping and leisure and wearing lipstick. I believe in pink. I believe happy girls are the prettiest girls. I believe that tomorrow is another day, and I believe in miracles. Audrey Hepburn. How beautiful is that? So I'm thinking maybe this box is styled around her. And the first thing I take out are these beautiful pearl earrings. And I'm thinking something she would wear. Now, this is something I cannot wear because they're way too heavy for my ears. They would probably look good, but I can't wear them. So I'm gonna ask Mom if she would like them. My mother is 89 years old, and she is getting at a stage where she gets forgetful. We have to, have the talk, but she always dresses up. Even if it's a doctor's appointment, she dresses head to toe. So I will see if Mom would like these. And then, oh my goodness. The next thing are these beautiful slippers. I think they do send a lot of slippers in their box, but you can never have too many. Now, these look like something Audrey would wear, and these are so comfortable. Now, I have a ton of slippers. I think every box we get, every lifestyle box we get has slippers, but these look so adorable. And more paper. Ooh, is this food? Soft baked triple chocolate chunk. And it says, wow, this is going nowhere. So by the time I post this video, that will be gone. So please, nobody ask for that because it'll be gone. We have more paper. And, ooh, something fell out. This is something very heavy, and it's wrapped in bubble wrap, so I will try not to pop any of the bubbles. So how's everybody doing? How's your weather? Do you have any trips planned? Is that not beautiful? I hope it's not real because I'll kill it. No, it's not real. So the survival rate on this plant is very good. And it's by 47 in Maine, but how gorgeous is this plant? I'm working on my beauty room, which is a total project, but this, I bought a desk and this would look beautiful on that desk. So this box never ceases to amaze me. And we have Lavender Serenity Aromatherapy Diffuser Kit. And this is one of those things, just like candles, you can't get too many of them. Because, you know, once they're, like the bottle's empty, what do you do with it? And I just want to see what it looks like. And of course I have to smell it, because I think I need to replace one of mine. It has a thing on there, so it's pretty good, so I can't smell it. But I want to see, because there's a bottom, there's the sticks. And what does the bottom look like? There's a picture on the outside, but I have to touch it, feel it. How beautiful is that? And it's kind of a, I don't know, a blue gray, but I know exactly where this is gonna go. Everything's so usable when we get these boxes. Everything is usable. If it's not usable, it's like, I know somebody who would like that. And then, a foot mask. And these never last because I use these all the time. This is something you can sit and watch TV and just put on there. So, and this, it's an exfoliant, lemon and honey. So just to recap what I got in my box, I got this lemon and honey foot mask. I got this beautiful diffuser. And this plant, which is gonna live, it'll survive. These adorable, adorable slippers. This is the first and last time you will see this. And these earrings. And so the note says, we all have times when we feel the world doesn't notice us. So that, I guess, is the theme of the box. And they had the succulent plant by 47th in Maine, and the Costa Mesa diffuser in lavender, and the jewelry, and the slippers, and the little cookie. And Mary is the curator and owner of this subscription box, and I of course will leave all the information and a link below, and the Instagram, but I think you really need to check out the subscription. I don't see a lot of reviews on this. I don't know why. I know it's kind of, you know, it's $36, but they do add on the shipping, and I can't blame her. But it's such a great subscription box, and it's a great gift. So thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment below what your favorite item is. And just to give you a little bit of an update on my daughter who lives in Germany, you know, I call her every day. Well, she sent me a picture, and they're skiing in the French Alps. So she's like, Mom, you have nothing to worry about. You know, we're off and running. So she's doing okay. And you guys have an awesome day. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.